AISP Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So specifically looking at Airship AI Holdings, 5-minute looks cool and promising, although it was 3% down on Tuesday. If I zoom out, is it gonna stay the same? Sure thing is. Even like from the previous video that I had here, let me show you. Let me show you it. Here it is. Alright, so this video was made like 9th of December. And that was kind of my bias. It was sitting at 340, now it's 551. So we've come a long way. Still looking to take it up though. Like I'm talking the price pulling down and then giving me a double break. But other than that, I'll just really not give two F's about it. So that's how AISP looks like for me at least. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. And for sure thing, like it doesn't mean that like Thursday, that's exactly what's going to happen. If it does, cool. But if it does not, then I will just not trade this. Simple.